Morning! Puppies! Hello, puppies! Ito kami sa Costco in Burnaby. Basa-basa yung paa ko. I don't know why. Baka pasmado.
Pasmado ka, girl?
Parang maganda yung ano. Ito yung nakita natin. Parang maganda dito. Ito, malaki yung space. Ah!
Ay, andyan pala kayo?
So we're gonna go to Costco for dinner. Meaning we're gonna buy those
Pre-made.
Cook
Chicken.
roasted chicken. Yung masarap. Masarap kasi sa Costco at saka pinakamura sa Costco. And then, after that, we're gonna have to buy rice kasi wala na kaming rice. Yun lang.
Nadala ko pala ito lagi. Ay, hindi ko naman lagi. Ngayon lang. Dadalhin ko ito sa car kasi. Dadalhin ko ito sa car kasi. Lagi ako naghahanap ng snack sa car.
Baka ano yan sa car?
Milk?
Baka may naiwan na. Wala akong mask. Wala na pala kaming mask sa car.
Nasa taas.
Dito na kami sa parking lot. Gusto niyo malaman kung saan kami nagpa-park? Nasa P5. Yung kapitbahay namin kayo. Say hello to your neighbor, which is us. At P5. P5 parking lot. Ayun na yung car namin. Hi, Ton! Mahal ng gas ngayon, guys, kung alam nyo lang.
2.16.
Hindi, 2.22.
Sa iba, 2.15.
Magtataas na rin uli after today. So, 2.22 siya ngayon. Grabe. Anong nangyayari sa world? Okay, magdadrive muna kami. Kakain na kami. May meeting ngayon si Katrina. Miss Halili? May meeting ka ngayon, diba?
Yes.
Ako naman, kain ako. Pero may rice naman din si Kat. This, fresh na fresh to, guys. Fresh na fresh na fresh. Kasi, nung nakuha namin siya, kakalagay pa lang yan dun sa sa stand. Tapos, kakalabas niya lang ng oven. Inantay namin. Yun lang naman.
BBM.
Love year? Mojud na. Importante na yun. Bahala na ng mga lokal-lokal niya.
Yan.
Saming.
Naglagyan to lokal, no?
Ha?
Hindi to lokal.
Okay na naman. Private na ako, ano.
It's Monday night. It's Monday night ngayon, no? No. Ayun si Kat, oh. Under the water. Kat is under the water. Kunwari, nalulunod ka, bilis. Hala, my fish! My fish! Nigeria. Flare. Flare. Nigeria, flare. Ayun na. Umalis na si Nigeria. Ito si Gary. Ayan, oh. Siguro, matamlay siya lately. Anyways, ayun yung namin shrimp. Ayan. Kita niyo na siya. Nagpa-prepare ng baon si Kat. And then, play ang Wilma's Life. Morning! Today is Tuesday. My friend gave birth yesterday. Angelou gave birth yesterday. So exciting. But now I'm on my way to work. Cutie! Naghihintay lang siya sa may-ari niya. Guys, may bagong labas sila na sandwich dito. We're in downtown still. Pauwi na kami. Pagod na kami. Yeah. Ganda mag-walk dito pag after work. Ay.
Broadway. Doors will open on the left. Change here for the Millennium Line. Exit here for the 99B line.
Like siya always, puno yun na always, fully booked yun na ang mga airport hotels because number one is budget.
May kinuha ako na alay kay Kat. Paminta ko.
There you go.
Would ever be left in I don't know, but how would you take it
Oh,
seriously?
I love it! Hi guys. Okay, well I'm at the washrooms at my work and Kat is pooping, so let me tour you. These are the showers. Showers here. And then there are lockers, but only for day use. And then there are towels. They give towels right there. And then those are the washroom where Kat is doing her business. So yeah, how are you guys? How are you doing? I'm okay. I'm doing okay. It's only Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday, which is great because it's been a long week. Anyways, I'll just see you later. There's Kat thinking about her life. What are you thinking about?
Nothing.
Lady Gaga?
I was so sleepy.
Which one is the real Kat? This one or this one? Which one is it? This one or this one?
Mga ko'y bata pa.
What's up, guys? Today is Friday, finally Friday this week. Parang ang haba ng linggo na to, honestly. Today, so sunny. Nawala yung sun actually. Pero today is so sunny. And nasa bahay ako ngayon. As you notice, hindi ako sa office. Mag-work ngayon kasi nga nag-work ako in the office from Monday to Thursday. Tapos, wala lang. Na-feel ko lang na masaya din na at least once a week mag-chill bahay ng mag-isa. Kaya yun, work from home ako ngayon. Anyway, it's been a long week. It's already Friday. It's Friday the 13th, guys. Friday the 13th. This is so funny that I'm talking to a camera. But to be honest with you guys, since we started this vlog, our weekends have been so productive. Like, yung weekends namin before, parang wala lang. Wala kaming drive to do things. And then now, we're like actively looking for things to make more memories, to show our family around Vancouver, to all of that. And yeah, it's just been great kasi they know what's going on with us, and then we don't have to, like, you know, explain everything that we're doing whenever we're doing calls. So anyways, mag-work na ako kasi gagawa ako ng coffee tapos mag-work na ako. Yun ang gagawin ko. Yun lang naman for this morning. In today's video, I don't know bakit may mga memes ng gano'n. Alam niyo ba? Ewan ko. Sunny na, nakikita niyo ba? Hindi na ako makatingin sa camera. Anyways, yeah. Ang dami ko ng anyways. Siya nga pala, guys, may binili kami na yogurt sa Costco. So good. Ate, you're gonna like this one. Or maybe you're already using this one. Pero ito, Greek Gods, Greek style yogurt with, like, it's the honey flavor. You will like it for sure. Sure ako. If you don't like it, I will reimburse you. Ate ko lang, hindi ko yung lahat. Anyway, yun lang naman.
So, guys, sa mga hindi nakakaalam sa inyo, ako po ay naghahawak pa ng work permit. So, ngayon ay galing tayo ng Service Canada para ng biometrics. Kinunan tayo ng biometrics and now we'll just have to wait sa confirmation kung ano ang next step after pagkuha ng biometrics. Siya nga pala, ito ay para sa permanent resident application. So, yeah, babalik na tayo ng office.
So, yun lang naman ang week namin this week. Nag-burp ako. Baho. Yun nga. Yun lang.
Yun lang yung,
Tapos ngayon, end na ng Friday, nag-live kami kanina na walang pasabi. Tapos,
biglaan.
oo. Siguro pag nag-load yun, mag-upload din yun. Pero, yun nga. Yun lang, wala kaming ganap ngayon masyado this week. So,
This week, wala kaming masyadong ganap kasi most sa mga araw sa week na to, puro kami in office. And
tapos busy din kami.
busy kami. Nakasubaybay kami sa eleksyon. Joke.
Nung Monday lang naman.
Tapos, this week din, guys, nag-biometrics ako for the PR application. So, hopefully, mabilis
Okay
na
na
yan.
So, that's it, guys. Thanks, everyone, for watching. And
Ingat kayo lagi.
ingat kayo lagi.
And see you sa next vlog.
Sana masarap ang ulam nyo.